Okay, this one's super, super simple. This is clipboard history. So do you know how like when you copy something and you go down here and you paste it, and then you want to copy this and then you paste it, but you want to go back and do 2 plus 1 again, you just can't. You just do, I'm doing Control C and Control V. That's a shortcut for Control copy, and then V is paste. So you want to have 2 plus 1 also in your history that you can just quickly go back. You kind of forget it. Super, super easy. All you have to do on PC, this is only for PC, I'm sure it's for Mac somewhere, but you do Windows and then V. Windows key V, and it brings this up, and you just turn it on. It's called Clipboard History, so turn it on, and then you frogs and bananas. Oh, interesting. Then we do this. Go back here, 2 plus 1, Control V again. I mean, Windows key V, Windows V, and then it's there. So you can copy as many things as you want, and it'll always be there. So right now I'm just doing Control C, Control C, Control C, and if you're weird and you highlight and you do right click and copy, I don't know. And then you do Windows V. All of them are in there, and it's amazing. Also, you can see there's emojis and there's GIFs and all that stuff. To get to just that, you can do Windows period, and then that pops up, and you can just place these kind of whenever. And if you want to take this off, all you have to do is go into settings and then type in like clipboard, and then you can turn it off that way. But I don't know why you would, unless you don't want people to see what you're copying. Okay, so yeah.